What's up guys, and welcome back to the channel, and welcome back to another Luna Classic video. It's a late night video. I'm waiting now because I am going to be getting on a plane to Florida in the next few hours. So I'm going to take you with me on that journey, of course. But this is the last video in the stew for the next week. So don't worry, we'll be back here very, very soon. But in today's video, we're going to talk about Terra, Luna Classic, the overall market, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and of course the news that you need to know to be fully up to date. Because if you don't know the news, then you have no idea what's going to come next, and you can't make an informed decision on what you want to be doing. With that said, remember guys, there is only about 22% of you guys that currently follow this channel that watch the videos every day. So come on, make that 50% in today's video, right? Smash the like button, hit the subscribe button, turn on notifications. Remember, each and every one of you is helping towards the Luna Classic burn that we're doing here on the channel. If I get up the analytics, we have already generated $1,467 here on the channel. Absolutely incredible stuff. But if I do scroll down to 23% of you guys are subscribed. So come on, smash the subscribe button. It's going to help this channel get out to more people, get more views, generate more income, and in turn, more burns for all of us. With that said, let's talk about coin market cap. We got just under just under $1 trillion for the overall market, up 0.66%. We got Ethereum pumping 1%, Shiba Inu 3%. Something interesting about Shiba Inu is it's the second or third largest held coin with Ethereum whales. So the whales on Ethereum also hold a significant amount of Shiba Inu. So definitely a coin that you want to be paying attention to. Quite interesting what's happening over there. A lot going on with the ecosystem, and definitely an opportunity there to make some gains if we go into another bull market. Cardano really is the standout here in the overall market today, up 5%. But if we do go here, we head over to trending. Let's see where our Luna Classic is. There's Luna 2.0 at 21 and Luna Classic there at 30. Number 30 on the trending market. We are down 8% today with the volume down 36%. Just under $500 million worth of volume, $414 million today. Down significantly because we had that catalyst, the market got excited, and now we're chilling. We're chilling out a little bit. Nothing wrong with that. The price 0.00024. We did hit a high of around 0.003. Hopefully we can continue this momentum when we get the burn come into play, which is potentially coming in the next 8 days. There is news that it could be between the 12th and the 20th, but hopefully it's 8 days. If it's 8 days, I really do think we're going to see another catalyst, but we need Bitcoin to be staying in this semi-bullish sort of neutral territory in order to see a good price. If we do see Bitcoin start to plummet, we're not going to see great price action when we see these burns come into play. In my opinion, right now we have just been trading really sideways when you kind of zoom out, but this is the line here that I think a lot of buying will happen around the 18,500 to the 19,000. We've seen this be tested 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times here. And I think that's a very strong level. If we do break below and close, see how these wicked, but they didn't close. But if we break below and start closing candles, daily candles below, I don't think this is very good. I think we will probably go down to retest that $17,000 mark. The first level of resistance around 20,500 is what I'm watching here if the market does start to break out. If you did want to make the best of the current market situation, we can trade the volatility. We can make the best of it. We can long-term hold Luna Classic if that's what we want to do, but we can also make significant gains by trading these moves. Of course, you guys have to be experienced traders. You have to know what you're doing. You have to practice. And one of the best things about Bitget is you can actually open up yourself a demo trading account. So you can open up basically a fake account where you can practice your trading, which is something definitely everyone should look into. Another thing that I've been testing here on Bitget is also copy trading. So right now up almost $580, which is a 58% increase on what I put in, which was $1,000. So very good returns here, but this does take a lot of practice, a lot of time, and a lot of understanding to see who is the right person to follow and that sort of thing. So you need to do your research. I do have a video over on my main channel if you want to check that out, exactly how to find the right copy traders. But definitely a lot of good stuff to be checking out here on Bitget. And right now they have over $4,400 worth of bonuses. So head down to the description, pause the video, sign up, get it done. If you do that, you'll support the channel and you'll get yourself a pretty sweet exchange with an awesome bonus there. We also have the DXY here. still upwards, right? We're still up high here, not really showing any signs of slowing down. We really do want this to start to trend down before I believe we're going to see a good market come back into existence, right? Into existence. With that said, a little bit of news today. Crypto.com mistakenly paid a woman millions. So get this right. Get this. $7.1 million instead of $68. And now Crypto.com is suing her because she spent the money. And good on her. Good on her for spending the money, as you would. Remember, if this was a bank, this would be very, very much illegal. But because it's a crypto exchange, I don't really know where it sits on the legality. So exciting. I'm pretty excited to see where this is going to end up. And I think it's funny. I think it's absolutely hilarious. $7.1 million. I would absolutely love to have $7.1 million just boop, airdropped into my account. Let me know down in the comment section. Do you think that she should be criminalized for spending this money? Do you think that she deserves the money, or do you think that she should give it back? Let me know down in the comment section what you guys think. And another thing that I wanted you guys to be aware of is on the 15th of September, we got the Ethereum fork. Now, one thing that might happen here is the proof of work miners fork, the Ethereum merge. I meant to say the Ethereum merge on the 15th of September. And one thing that might happen is the proof of work miners currently might fork Ethereum, one being the proof of work Ethereum, one being the proof of stake, which is where the main Ethereum is going to go. And this might be an issue because there's so many decentralized apps that are building on Ethereum, and this may send a lot of volatility into it if people are unsure of where to go. And this just so happens to be the same date that the Mt. Gox is actually releasing a lot of Bitcoin onto the market. So the 15th of September could be very, very important to watch closely. If Ethereum starts to tumble because there's some problem with the switch over to proof of stake, it's going to be an issue for the market. It's going to be an issue for the market. And to add insult to injury, we also have the 13th of September being the consumer price index data being released. So this could already scare the market. The market could already be scared at this point. So these few days here are going to be very, very pivotal for the cryptocurrency market. So I want you guys to pay attention to that. Please pay attention closely. We got a lot of things coming up this month for crypto, and it may very well be very bloody. It may be bloody, or it may be good for the market, but most likely it's going to be bloody. If we do check the Bitcoin, the old Bitcoin, ye old Bitcoin here, remember guys, this is a very significant downward trend. Look at that, a very, very significant downward trend. We may very well have put in the bottom down here at around 17.5. Who knows? A very strong downward trend. Basically anything that happens in a downward trend, as we saw here with this trend right here, it breaks down more likely to the downside. So be prepared for more blood in the market. Look at your crypto portfolio, decide whether or not you can sustain another, let's just put it out there, 50% drop, 70% drop. Can you sustain that and be comfortable? Because if you're just going to panic and sell when we crash like that, you may as well think about it right now. If you're cool with just chilling, you've taken your profits, you've done whatever you needed to do, now the market does what it wants and we can dollar cost average, that's the perfect mindset. But if you have too much money invested, that's when you're going to have an issue coming in. Remember, we are in extreme fear. The market is extremely fearful. And one thing that I like to remember here is that when the overall market is fearful, normally that's the time to be buying. It's very rare that the entire retail market as a whole is correct. If we think about back in the bull run, the entire retail market thought we were going to 100K. That's when we crashed. Now the entire retail market wants to short Bitcoin. That may be when we pump. Of course, we don't know, but this is what's happened in the history of crypto. And hopefully it's what happens again. We'll have to wait and see. We've got to practice patience. And hopefully, if you did like the video, you're going to subscribe. Remember, guys, only 22% of you are subscribed right now. Let's push that number up. Let's get these likes in this video to like 2,000. That would be incredible. And I will take you on my journey to Florida. If any of you guys are out in America, do let me know down in the comment section. Let's have a little chat. Hit me up whenever you feel like it. And I will see you guys, of course, in the next video.